Hello, learning birds. This is our 6th lesson on Excel spreadsheets using Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we're going to talk about column width. That's how wide the columns are. You can see I'm changing them right here to make them larger and smaller, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to look at column widths, how wide the columns are. Sometimes you have words like Jim, Jane, Fred, and Wilma that are pretty small, and sometimes you have titles that are a little bit longer and fit longer than the actual width of each column. You can see this one here is hopscotch, this one here is hamburger, there's white Christmas. It doesn't quite fit inside of the columns. So to adjust the column width, there are a couple of different ways to do it. You can do it like I was showing you at first, where you just move it, you grab up here and just move it back and forth to whatever size you want it to be. You can also double click and it will automatically set the width to the largest word inside of that column. So in this case, favorite things is the largest thing, so it's set it a little bit bigger than that. This one here, probably remember the Titans is larger than the other ones, and they'll automatically set it at that appropriate width. See how that one, it actually shrunk it down a little bit smaller because all of the words were pretty short. This one here, least favorite things, is part of that, so it's going to make it quite large. And then we can continue just making it the appropriate width. This one here is probably going to make it smaller. Alright, so that is how to adjust column width. Now, let's say you have decided that you actually want every column width to be the same. You can do that as well. When you're on the Home tab here, you can click on Format and Column Width, and then you can pick whatever width you want it to be. 10 is a pretty standard width to kind of start with. So there, we've just adjusted this width to being 10. And if you want to adjust more, you can select by holding the Shift key and selecting all of them, or you can press Control A to select all, and you can make all the column widths the same thing. Let's say you want to make them all 10 again. Boom! Now they're all 10. Some of the words don't fit, some of them seem like they're larger. Depends on what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to make a standard width, you would definitely use that format width, column width over there. You can also have Autofit column width or a default width. The default width is apparently 8.43. But what I would do if you want to, again, kind of make everything fit, is to format and then say auto fit, and that's going to format all of them just like that double clicking here did, so that it's shorter or narrower for the ones that are more narrow and larger for the ones that are larger. And let's say you feel like this one's cramped a little bit, you can pull it out and make it a little bit larger. So that's basically how to adjust the column width inside of a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Hope that lesson's been helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.